Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to show you how drive modes work in late model Kias in this beautiful everlasting silver 2023 Sportage. So come on over, I'll show you. Now this is the all-new Sportage from the ground up. Wonderful vehicle. I've already made a video on that, and if you have any questions on these, just shoot us a call. But drive mode selector. So in most late model Kias, you're going to have a little dial right here. Some it might be a button. And then this is going to control the behavior and demeanor of both the transmission and the steering feel of the car, the acceleration. And ultimately, in most Kias, you're going to see a normal and a sport and a smart, sometimes an eco as well, and sometimes a snow mode. So basically two extremes here. Sport is going to shift at higher RPMs, tighten the steering up, make the throttle response more sensitive to give you more peppiness in exchange for some fuel economy. Eco is going to be the opposite. And smart mode, if it's not equipped with an eco mode, is going to prioritize, basically be an eco mode unless you start stepping on it. Normal, you got kind of a balance between the two. And snow mode, fairly self-explanatory, will gear itself up for the best behavior in inclement weather conditions, more evenly distributing power between the front and rear wheels. So if you have any questions on how to use yours, or you want a vehicle that has these drive modes, just shoot us a call or stop by today.